In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Flutterflow, a fantastic tool for building mobile apps effortlessly. Flutterflow is especially great for those of you who want to design and launch your app without getting too deep into coding. Let's get started with the basics. First, head over to flutterflow.io. Once there, you'll need to create an account if you haven't already. If you prefer, you can also log in using your Google account, making the process incredibly fast and simple. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where the magic begins. Next, it's time to create a new project. On your dashboard, look for the Create New Project button and give it a click. Here, you'll be presented with a choice. You can either select a template, which offers you a ready-made design to work with, or you can start from scratch with a blank project. The templates are a great option if you're looking to save time or need some design inspiration. Now let's move on to designing your app. In the Flutterflow editor, you have a variety of elements at your disposal. You can drag and drop text, buttons, images, and navigation bars right into your app design. Editing these elements is straightforward. Adjust colors, fonts, and layouts just like you would in a tool like Canva. But for apps, this flexibility allows you to create a visually appealing app tailored to your brand or concept. After setting up your design, you might want to add some logic or actions. Say you want your app to open a new page when a button is clicked, save data to a database, or maybe log in a user. It's easy. Simply click on the widget you want to make interactive. Go to the Actions tab and choose what you want it to do. Flutterflow makes it effortless to add functionality to your app without needing to write code. Moving along, if your app needs to store data, you can optionally connect it to a database. Flutterflow allows you to integrate with Firebase or Supabase, which is perfect for storing logins, messages, or user information. Don't worry if this sounds technical. Flutterflow provides a built-in setup guide to help you through the process seamlessly. Once your design and functionality are in place, you're ready to see your app in action. Click the Run or Preview button located at the upper right of the screen. This lets you test your app and see how it performs in real time, allowing you to make any necessary tweaks. Finally, when you're satisfied with your app, you have two main options to bring it to the world. You can export the code and continue working on it in Visual Studio Code if you desire more control, or you can choose to deploy it online directly from Flutterflow, though note that exports and deployments are features available on upgraded plans. To sum it up, Flutterflow allows you to design, build, and test mobile apps in a visual manner without needing to code, but it also gives you the flexibility to add custom code if you wish to tailor your project even further. Happy app building!